Have you ever wondered why some people sleep just 5 hours and still jump out of bed full of energy, while others, even after 8 hours, wake up feeling half dead? It almost feels unfair, right? But here's the truth. It's not about how long you sleep. It's about how well your body uses that sleep. Most of us treat sleep like a number game. I need exactly 8 hours or I'll die. But science says otherwise. Some people's bodies reach full recovery in less time because they've trained their system to sleep smarter, not longer. And that's what this video is all about. How you can reprogram your body to sleep fewer hours and still wake up fully refreshed. We'll uncover how your body clock, your deep sleep cycles, and even your daytime habits decide how much rest your brain truly needs. By the end, you'll realize that sleeping less doesn't mean being tired. It means mastering the biology of energy. Because energy isn't created in bed. It's created by how you live outside of it. The sleep myth. It's not just about hours. For decades, we've been told that everyone needs 8 hours of sleep. It sounds safe and scientific, but it's also a myth. The truth? Not everyone's body runs on the same settings. Some people function perfectly with 6 hours, while others need 9. It's not because they're stronger or weaker. It's because their sleep efficiency is different. Sleep efficiency means how much quality rest your body gets during those hours. Think of it like charging your phone. One charger fills it up fast and strong, another takes forever and still doesn't hit 100%. Sleep is the same. You might be lying in bed for 8 hours, but if your brain isn't reaching deep sleep and REM, the true recovery phases, you're basically running on a weak charge. Science shows that what truly refreshes you isn't time asleep, but how effectively your brain and body repair themselves during that time. So the real goal isn't to sleep more, but to sleep deeper. That means improving the quality of each hour, not adding more hours to the clock. Because when your sleep becomes powerful, even 5 to 6 hours can feel like 8. Your goal isn't to chase time. It's to master recovery. And the first step to that mastery starts with understanding your body clock, the rhythm that decides when your energy truly comes alive. Understanding the body clock, circadian rhythm. Your body is not a machine that works the same every hour of the day. It runs on a natural rhythm, a built-in timer called the circadian rhythm. This rhythm decides when you feel sleepy, when you wake up easily, and even when your brain thinks fastest. It's your inner clock. And if it's off balance, no amount of sleep will make you feel rested. Here's how it works. Your brain's clock center lives deep inside a tiny area called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It takes signals from light, food, and activity to decide what time it is. When sunlight hits your eyes in the morning, it sends a message, "Wake up, produce energy." When darkness falls, your brain releases melatonin, the sleep hormone, telling your body it's time to rest. But here's the problem. Our modern habits confuse this rhythm. We stare at bright screens at midnight, skip morning sunlight, and eat late dinners, all of which tell the brain it's still daytime. The result? Your sleep cycle gets delayed and your energy crashes. To reset your rhythm, you need to live in sync with light. Get sunlight within an hour of waking up. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Keep consistent sleep and wake times, even on weekends. When your circadian rhythm is stable, your body learns when to recover and when to perform. That's how some people sleep fewer hours yet wake up fresh. Their internal clock runs like a perfectly tuned engine. Once your rhythm is aligned, your next goal is to upgrade the quality of each sleep cycle, and that begins inside your deep sleep phases.
Not all sleep is the same. When you close your eyes, your body moves through different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. But here's the secret most people don't know. Only deep sleep and REM actually recharge your brain and body. Think of deep sleep as your body's repair shop. During this stage, your muscles rebuild, your tissues recover, and your immune system gets stronger. Your brain also clears out waste, literally washing away mental toxins that build up during the day. That's why a night with plenty of deep sleep feels like a mental reset. Then comes REM sleep, the dream stage. This is when your brain organizes memories, strengthens learning, and improves creativity. Without it, you might feel foggy, forgetful, or emotionally dull. Now, here's the powerful truth. You don't need more hours to get more deep sleep. You need better habits to reach that stage faster.
Here's what helps. Cool your room. Your body sleeps deeper at slightly lower temperatures. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. It blocks deep sleep signals. Don't eat heavy meals before bed. Digestion competes with recovery. Calm your mind. Read, journal, or breathe deeply for 5 minutes before bed. When your deep and REM cycles run smoothly, your 6-hour sleep can feel like 8. It's not about spending more time in bed. It's about spending that time wisely. Once your recovery system is optimized, the next step is learning how to train your brain to actually need less sleep without losing energy or focus. Imagine if your body could get full rest in fewer hours, not by magic, but by training. Just like you can train your muscles to be stronger, you can train your brain and body to become more efficient at sleeping. This isn't about forcing yourself to stay awake. It's about teaching your system to recover faster during the hours you do sleep. The key idea is called sleep efficiency, how well your body uses the time it's asleep. You can start improving it with a simple strategy: gradual adaptation. Here's how it works. For 1 week, stick to your normal bedtime and wake-up time, but make your schedule strictly consistent. Go to bed and wake up at the exact same time every day, even on weekends. This tells your brain, this is our window for recovery. Use it fully. After a week or two, when you start waking up before your alarm or feeling fresh faster, reduce your sleep by just 15 minutes. Maintain that schedule for another week. Observe how you feel. If your energy stays high, reduce another 15 minutes. This small reduction slowly teaches your body to enter deep sleep sooner and spend less time in light, unproductive stages. But remember, this only works if your daytime habits support it. Good sunlight, movements, hydration, and no late caffeine all signal your brain to use sleep efficiently. The goal isn't to sleep less for the sake of it. The goal is to optimize recovery time, to get the same energy in less time. And once you master that, the next step is learning how to keep your energy high all day, even on fewer hours of sleep. Sleeping less doesn't mean you have to drag through the day. The secret to waking up fresh after fewer hours of sleep lies in how you manage your energy during the day. First, nutrition matters. Skip the sugar crashes. They make you tired faster. Focus on protein, healthy fats, and magnesium-rich foods like nuts, leafy greens, and seeds. These fuel your brain and help your nervous system stay alert. Small, balanced meals spaced throughout the day keep energy steady. Next, movement is your best friend. Even a short 10 to 15-minute walk, stretching, or quick workout boosts blood flow, oxygenates the brain, and instantly increases alertness. You don't need long hours at the gym. Your body just needs a signal that it's awake and alive. Then there's the power of micro breaks. Taking 1 to 2 minute pauses every hour to breathe deeply, look outside, or stretch can reset your focus and energy levels. Think of it as a mini reboot for your mind. Even short naps, 10 to 20 minutes, can make a huge difference without making you groggy. These energy boosters recharge your brain and complement shorter nighttime sleep. When you combine smart nutrition, movement, and mental resets, your body becomes a powerhouse, even on fewer sleep hours. This isn't just theory, it's science-backed. Your energy isn't just stored at night, it's built and maintained throughout the day. How you start your morning sets the tone for the entire day, especially when you're sleeping fewer hours. A smart, science-backed morning routine can make you feel energized, alert, and ready to conquer anything. First, hydrate immediately. Your body loses water overnight, and dehydration can make you groggy. A glass of water first thing wakes up your system and kickstarts metabolism. Next, expose yourself to sunlight. Natural light signals your brain that it's time to be awake, suppresses melatonin, and resets your circadian rhythm. Even 5 to 10 minutes on a balcony or near a window can make a huge difference. Then, move your body. It doesn't have to be intense. A short walk, stretching, or a few bodyweight exercises gets blood flowing, increases oxygen, and releases energy-boosting hormones. Finally, a mental reset can give instant focus. Try journaling your top 3 priorities, practicing deep breathing for 2 minutes, or a quick visualization of your day. When you combine hydration, light, movement, and a mental reset, your body and brain activate faster than caffeine alone ever could. The best part? These small habits can make 5 to 6 hours of sleep feel like 8, letting you wake up fresh, energized, and unstoppable.
The science of sleep pressure and how to control it. Your body doesn't just randomly feel sleepy. It builds something called sleep pressure throughout the day. Think of it like a battery. The longer you're awake, the more your brain signals, "I need rest." The chemical behind this is adenosine. Adenosine accumulates while you're awake, making you feel tired. Then, when you sleep, it clears out and you wake refreshed. But here's the trick. You can influence how fast it builds and clears, which means you can control how sleepy or alert you feel even if you sleep less. Here's how. Caffeine timing. Coffee or tea temporarily blocks adenosine, giving you energy, but too late in the day delays your sleep pressure and hurts recovery. Sunlight exposure. Morning light accelerates adenosine clearance and aligns your circadian rhythm. Physical activity. Short workouts or brisk walks help your body process adenosine efficiently. Consistent schedule. Sleeping and waking at the same times keeps your brain predicting when to build and release sleep pressure. By understanding and controlling sleep pressure, you can maximize alertness during the day and ensure your shorter sleep hours still recharge your system fully. Common mistakes that ruin sleep efficiency. Even if you follow all the strategies so far, small mistakes can silently steal your energy and make your shorter sleep hours feel useless. The good news? These are fixable once you know them. 1. Late night screens. Phones, laptops, and TVs emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses melatonin, delays sleep, and reduces deep sleep. Fix: avoid screens 1 hour before bed or use blue light filters. 2. Inconsistent schedule. Sleeping and waking at different times confuses your circadian rhythm, making your sleep less restorative. Fix: stick to the same sleep and wake times, even on weekends. 3. Heavy meals late at night. Digesting food competes with your body's recovery processes. Fix: eat your last big meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. 4. Stress before sleep. Worries and overthinking keep your brain active, reducing deep sleep. Fix: practice 5 to 10 minutes of journaling, meditation, or breathing exercises. 5. Caffeine too late. Coffee or energy drinks after mid-afternoon interfere with deep sleep. Fix: limit caffeine to the morning or early afternoon. Master these small changes, and your body will use every hour of sleep efficiently, letting you wake up refreshed even with fewer hours in bed. Conclusion and final strategy. Sleeping less doesn't have to mean feeling tired. The secret is quality over quantity. Optimize deep sleep, train your brain, control your circadian rhythm, and fuel your body with smart daytime habits. Consistency, light exposure, movement, and mental resets all turn short sleep into powerful, energy-packed recovery. Remember, this isn't magic. It's science and discipline combined. Start small, adjust gradually, and your body will adapt. Sleep smarter, not longer. Wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer your day every single morning.
If this video helped you understand how to sleep smarter and wake up stronger, then don't keep the change to yourself. Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this boost, and comment one thing you'll start doing tonight. And if you want more science-backed motivation to upgrade your mind and lifestyle, make sure you subscribe. Your better mornings start now.